Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby and today what we're going to discuss is how to reprogram our subconscious mind for success and happiness. But before we get started, I want you to turn that bell notification on and subscribe to my channel so you get alerted every Wednesday when I post. So let's get started. So the number one tip, the first tip I'm going to give you is visualize your success. What is it that you want to be and what do you want to do in order to know that you are successful? Visualization is so important in our everyday lives because people tend to not think about what they want to do and how they're going to accomplish that. Instead, they let work overcome them, children, family, blah, 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 all of that. So the first thing I want you to do is visualize what is it you want to do. As I say, visualization is so important, so please think about that and that will really help you grow. Number two, I want you to have a specific goal. What goal do you want to complete that you know that I've done it, I have accomplished it, and I am happy with it? Just think about it, even if it takes you 1 day, 2 days or so, because you know what? Sometimes we actually think to ourselves and we don't even think about the type of goals that we want. But in order to become successful, you need to think about that specific goal you want to achieve. Because when you're more specific, that is how your actions align with it. And that's how things become so successful for you. Number three, I want you to start writing down your goals. Now, when you write down your goals, you have it right in front of you. I sometimes will have my vision board because then my goals is right in front of me. Or what I do is on my phone, I actually have a reminder where I have all my goals right in front of me. So I'm reminded every day, what is it that I want to achieve? Whether that's during the whole year, whether that's this week, whether that's today. Make sure you write down your goals, because when you write down your goals, you start working towards everything that you need to work towards. And then when you do all of that, you are always reminded, this is what I need to do today. And this is not going to distract me, whatever that distraction may be for you in your life. So you need to start writing down your goals so you have it right in front of you. And that will really help you, because I really honestly feel like in life sometimes people let work overcome them and just work overcomes their whole life. And that is the biggest no-no in my book. In order for you to be successful, you need to have your goals written down and you need to take action within those goals. Number four, I want you to start engaging with your affirmations. So once again, with me personally on my phone, I have an alert every day at 9 o'clock in the morning. I have my affirmations up, it's in my reminders, and I say it to myself. Affirmations is seriously important. Some people don't even know what affirmations is. Some people don't even do affirmations. It's not even put in their bones, but this is my life. I do affirmations all the time because I say what I'm going to do and what I am going to achieve. It's all about you doing it. And when you're saying your affirmations, your actions is aligning with what you want to do. So you need to start saying your affirmations, working towards your affirmations, and you will see it right there in your face that you have done it, you have made it, and do not let nobody stop you with that. And affirmation is simple. I personally have 10 affirmations I do of my own personal goals, whether it's personal or whether it's in business. But if it's in one, I will have it all there for me and I will start saying it. Number five, meditation. Guys, I can't tell you what I love meditating. And what I love about meditating is thinking about the things that I envision in my life, and it just gives me a harmony, like peace. I can't really describe how it makes me feel, but I love it, and I believe everyone needs to have time aside yourself and meditate on whatever it is you want to meditate on, whether it's a book. So right now I'm reading Think and Grow Rich. So let's say I'm reading a chapter. I've actually created a book club because it actually says in that book that you should have a little book club, a small group of you guys, and reflect on it. And I've created that. As soon as I saw that in the book, I created it. So happy that I done that. literally whatever chapter you're reading, because you're only meant to read like one chapter a day, a week or per day, per day I think. But yeah, so whatever chapter you're reading, then meditate on it. So for example, in chapter 1, Think and Grow Rich, is about your desires. What do you desire and how do you believe you will achieve it? And in that book, I will tell you guys, go get it by Napoleon. Yeah, Napoleon. But guys, go and get it, because that book, Think and Grow Rich, is amazing, and it will make you start thinking like, this is better than any normal program that you see in a world that costs $997 up or $10,000 up. Like, this is a book where it will program your mind and it will make you think about the desires that you want. That's just from chapter 1. I've learned so much from that itself. But yeah, so what I want you to do is start meditate on whatever you want to meditate on, whether that's something that you want to do in your business, or whether that's something you want to do in your personal life. Start meditating. It's amazing. Number 6, engage in positive self-talk. Engage in positive self-talk. Start speaking positivity to yourself. Start speaking positivity to your life. When you say positive things, that is a good thing, because your brain is absorbing it. This is why it's so important for you to mind what you hear. Stop listening to negativity. If you can feel something's running your energy down, remove yourself from it. Even if it's a song that it's about life and, you know, broken hearted by a boy or whatever it is, remove yourself from it, because it's just making you feel down. You need to start thinking about things that you're happy, it's getting you buzzing, and these are the type of things that you will love. And that's what I realized, that when you listen to certain things, it will give you a certain energy and vibe, and that's life, that's fact. So doing that, honestly guys, do that. That positive self-talk, mind what you listen to. It's so important to know. Even I've got a daughter, so I'm really careful what my daughter listens to. Very careful of that, because people don't realize when you listen to certain things, like your child's a product of you. So you need to make sure you're that positive role model example. You need to be feeding them positivity. And that is why I believe that is awesome. So self-talk, positive self-talk is amazing. Number 7, behave as yourself like your dreams has come true already. Behave like you have made it already. Guys, that might sound a bit, but it's true. Behave like you have made it already, and I'm telling you, in no time, you will make it. You need to act like the person you want to be. And in order to do that, you need to show that through your personality, through how you are. You need to grow as a person. You need to change as a person. So you doing all of these things will really help you. And I believe you guys, you will achieve so much doing these. And lastly, it's the important takeaway. So what is it that you have gotten out of this, and what is it that you believe you could start adapting to your life today? I believe everything, to be honest with you, and I wanted you to take those 8 things down, because when you write these all down and you start implementing it into your life, you're going to see a change in your life. Believe that. So guys, before we end today, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on, and make sure that you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. And also comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me what you loved about it, guys. I'd love to hear your feedback. And guys, up here, what I'm going to discuss is why is it so important for you to reprogram your brain before starting up any type of business. Because guys, in order to start up any type of business, you need to make sure your brain is on check. Otherwise, no point in you even starting your business, because when you get these ups and downs, you will then give up. So I'm gonna discuss why it's so important for you to reprogram your brain before even setting up your own business. All right, bye guys, hope you liked it.